Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's show you a few of the features of the saw. The reciprocating saw comes with a LED light. There, you press your trigger button there and the light will come on. We have a button here which we slide and that will change the angle of the saw. The blade will go in there and we use that button there. We lift that latch up like so and we put the blade into the little hole there. So I'll do that. Make sure you don't touch the sharp end. And secure it. Just make sure it doesn't come out. Always make sure you don't have the battery in place when installing the blade or removing the blade, so always make sure the battery isn't on the base of the unit. So now that we're happy and ready to use the unit, we shall insert the battery. Just clicks into place like so. To release the battery, you press that button there and it should come out. To lock the machine, you press that button inwards and it should pop out there. To unrelease the lock, you just slide the button through and it will come out there. So to lock it, it should be fully in. To unlock it, press that button and it should be raised slightly there. To turn the saw on, unlock the locking mechanism and press that button there. So you can go slow, fast, slow. So it's not too loud, it's not too heavy, it's well built, it's lightweight. I was going to put the reciprocating saw into action today, but unfortunately I think the video will be too long, so I'm going to do a part 3. So please watch part 3 and you will see the reciprocating saw in action. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.